you have won yourself a Lamborghini Huracan and $50,000 cash.
John?
Sir?
Here yet again.
Here yet again, yet this one feels different.
Feels a little different.
Yeah, feels extra, feels special.
Something slightly different about it this time.
Something a brewing.
Today is the official FSG19 winner call day. So we have a winner. Winner's gonna get to choose between red Lamborghini Huracan EVO or black Lamborghini Huracan EVO and $50,000 in cash. So
I got the number.
Man, I'm anxious, I'm not gonna lie.
This one's crazy.
Yeah, this is a crazy one. I'm nervous. If we can't get a hold of him via phone right now, he has 3 days. We have 3 days to get in contact with him before we have to move on to another winner, so.
I don't answer ever.
I don't blame him, exactly.
Ever.
Yeah, I don't blame him. Come on, man, you got this.
You know what to do.
Okay, well.
All right, so the second text has been sent.
Read.
We read it again. He instantly read it, so.
I'm letting him process. Who's this guy texting me?
Send him
What?
a selfie.
Good idea.
Is that a good one?
Yeah, why not?
The flag's in the back?
Yeah, why not?
All right. I'm impatient. I want to just call him. We should just call him.
Imagine getting that text.
Hey, Ozzy.
Hey, is this Arvin?
Yeah, this is me.
Hey, what's
This
up?
is Arvin.
Hey, Arvin, this is Johnny from Freedom Street Garage. I'm sitting in our garage right now next to Alex as well.
Yeah, I just got it from work. Sorry. Yeah, I saw your YouTube channel right now.
Yes, so sorry to call you so many times in a row, but we were really,
No worries.
we were really excited to get you to answer the phone call. I see a while back you signed up to win a Camaro. I believe it was the black ZL1, and you bought a Camaro Blueprint t-shirt. The Camaro has come and gone. What was that number? I don't know, doesn't matter. But today, May 19th, is winner call day of FSG19, which is a Lamborghini Huracan and $50,000 cash.
So do you have any idea why we're calling you today?
Just like you said, you're calling the winner right now.
Yeah, we're calling the winner. The name that was chosen was yours, so you get to pick.
Is this legit?
This is legit, man. This is
Arvin, you have been chosen as the grand prize winner. FSG19, you have won yourself a Lamborghini Huracan and $50,000 cash.
Let's go.
No way.
Yes way.
Though when you originally signed up, the Camaro was up for grabs, we've sweetened the pot and we've now got a $300,000 prize package that includes your choice of either of the Lamborghinis I'm sitting next to and $50,000 cash. And if you're up for it, we'll fly you out to San Diego and you can go for a test drive, and then we'll fly you back east and we'll put the Lamborghini on a trailer and ship it to your doorstep.
No. I'm speechless.
You-
Oh, this delay.
As I would be for sure too, man. I totally get it.
Dang, okay. I'm sorry, I'm speechless, guys. Appreciate it. Thank you very much.
Speechless is totally okay, man. Congratulations.
And-
Thank you for being a member.
I think my heart rate just went up to like 120.
Lamborghinis will do that, so I'm told. Well, so Arvin, as I said, I'll follow up and give you some more information, and we'll be talking to you a bunch more over the coming days just to get you comfortable with everything. But from all of us here at Freedom Street Garage, congratulations. Thanks for being a member, and we appreciate it.
Thank you. Thank you, everyone.
Congratulations.
Thanks.
Thanks for picking up the call, and we'll be talking to you soon, man.
Copy that. Yeah, will do.
Thanks.
Later.
See ya.
All right.
Ladies and gentlemen, there you have it. It took a few phone calls, as it sometimes does. I get it, you gotta be diligent in today's world. You can't be answering every call off the street, but a couple text messages, a selfie from Alex. We get the job done, we tracked him down. We will now get the official paperwork, which will make it official. Lamborghini and $50,000 cash is gonna be heading east.
Yep.
And we're now live with our 2025 Cadillac Blackwing, or $100,000 cash. This is live right now, this will run for the summer. We're excited, we love this car. The Lamborghinis were awesome, huge prize package. Heading out to Arvin and the East Coast.
Yep.
As always, thanks for the support. Job well done.
Yep. Now I'm just curious which one he's gonna pick, red or black.
Time will tell. Stay tuned. We'll figure it out. Thanks for the support. FreedomCityGarage.com. We appreciate it. Take care.